Combat menstrual cramps with diet changes. Are you tired of dealing with painful menstrual cramps every month? Do you wish there was a natural way to combat this common issue? Well, look no further because on today's episode of Best Life, we're going to discuss how you can alleviate menstrual cramps through simple diet changes. Menstrual cramps, also known as dysmenorrhea, affect many women during their monthly cycle. These cramps can range from mild discomfort to severe pain, making it difficult to go about your daily activities. While over-the-counter pain medications can provide temporary relief, they often come with unwanted side effects. That's why it's important to explore natural remedies, such as diet changes, to help manage and reduce menstrual cramps. One of the key factors in combating menstrual cramps is maintaining a healthy diet. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you can help alleviate the inflammation and pain associated with menstrual cramps. Here are some diet changes you can make to help combat menstrual cramps. 1. Increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3s, such as fatty fish like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts, into your diet to help alleviate cramps. 2. Reduce your intake of processed foods. Processed foods, such as fast food, sugary snacks, and refined grains, can exacerbate inflammation in the body, leading to increased menstrual cramps. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to help reduce inflammation and alleviate cramps. 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can worsen menstrual cramps, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to help keep your body hydrated and reduce the severity of cramps. 4. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. Foods that are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate menstrual cramps. Some examples of anti-inflammatory foods include turmeric, ginger, green leafy vegetables, and berries. 5. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt hormone levels and exacerbate menstrual cramps. Limit your intake of these substances during your menstrual cycle to help reduce the intensity of cramps. 6. Boost your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like salmon, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts are rich in omega-3s, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These fats can help reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps by lowering inflammation in your body. Next, focus on magnesium-rich foods like spinach, bananas, dark chocolate, and almonds. Magnesium helps relax your muscles and can ease the tension that causes cramps. Try including these in your diet, especially in the days leading up to your period. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Dehydration can worsen cramps, so make sure to eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. These fruits and veggies not only keep you hydrated, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals that support your overall health during your period. Try to limit caffeine and sugar intake. Both can worsen cramps by causing bloating and increasing tension in the body. Swap coffee for herbal teas like chamomile or ginger, which have natural soothing effects and can help ease discomfort. By making these simple diet changes, you can help alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and make adjustments to your diet that work best for you. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on living your best life on Best Life. Thanks for watching.